Hello everyone, welcome to my space. Karnataka TET 2019 Language to English. Question number 31 to 35 are from this given passage. Question number 31. Robert went to the other side of the road because the right answer is option number 2. He wanted to see why the crowd had gathered. 32. The word pavement in the passage means right answer is option number 2. A path at the side of a road for people to walk on. Question number 33. The noun form of perform is performance. Question number 34. The old man let out a loud cry suddenly in order to. The right answer is option number 2. Let the crowd know that his monkey was dead. 35. The monkey's tricks he soon discovered were in no way remarkable. The underlined word in the above sentence is the underlined word here is remarkable. Remarkable is an adjective. Question number 36 to 40 are from this given poem. Question number 36. The poem is a conversation between. The right answer is option number 2, the goblet and the poet. 37. In the poem, I refers to. Right answer is 3, the goblet. Question number 38. That statement. The goblet was happy in its present form. Question number 39. The expression in which states that the goblet wanted freedom is. The right answer is to break away. Question number 40. Sleep deep. The relation between these two words is rhyming words. The rhyming word for third word will is feel. Question number 41 to 45 are from this given picture. Question number 41. The train stops on the. Right answer is Market Street. 42. If you are at the junction of the 3rd Street and Market Street, the museum is in the corner southwest. 43. The Market Street has a community center. 44. This symbol indicates track. 45. The community center is dash the police and fire station. The correct word to be filled in the blank is next to. 46. While developing the skill of reading, a teacher facilitates learning through. Right answer is sounds. 47. The full form of TPR, a method evolved by James Asher, an experimental psychologist, is total physical response. Question number 48. Listen to a speech to comprehend using a radio is learning through audio aids. 49. In this activity, some choose to speak in favor of a topic and some present their views against the topic. That is, they argue, debate. Satish writes the words photo as FOTO, college as COLEGE. He needs remedial teaching in spelling and vocabulary. When the teacher instructs the class to listen to the story to get a general idea of what it is about, she is aiming at the lesson stage of listening for guest. Improvement, practical, substitute, photograph. These words fall into the group trisyllabic words. Four statements are given here. The statement with the correct usage of homophone is C. The population growth has remained stationary for a long time, though we have wasted a lot of stationery on its analysis. Proficiency in writing in second language English learning is required to record documents which may be of use in future. The interactional technique that is commonly used to practice language functions of language is dialogue chains. 56. Kind of objective type test item that falls out of the group is short answer type item. Actually, I think fishing is more relaxing than playing golf. The statement expresses comparison. Mr. Gunashekaran was elected a MLA for a first time. This statement can be written correctly as Mr. Gunashekaran was elected as an MLA for the first time. The speaking ability gives the learner enough confidence to acquire the skill of reading and writing. This means that the learner must learn to use the language orally first. Sneha has written the words bum, walk, talk as BAM, WAK, TAK. Her teacher must teach her about. Right answer is silent letters. These are provisional key answers given from the board, official key answers, but one or two answers may changes. Thank you. Please subscribe.